Hi everybody, David Lewis here. You have got to be kidding me. Now, on today's session, what I'm going to share with you could happen to any of us. So please pay close attention. So I had a dealership about 90 days ago that we had done 2 days of sales training, one of our promotional events, and he had asked me to follow up in 90 days, and he wanted to get involved on some ongoing monthly training. Now, I went to call his dealership, so I went to their website, and I called the number on the website. And the number on the website went to a Medicare hotline. Now, of course, I thought I dialed it wrong, so I dialed it again. And again, it went to a Medicare hotline. And I was calling from my cell phone. So I thought maybe my cell phone was screwed up. So I then went to my desk phone and I called again. And of course, it went to that same Medicare hotline. So I then called the dealer on his cell phone. I don't typically call dealers on their cell phone unless I can't get a hold of them. And he answered the phone, and I must have caught him at a bad moment in time, and he was not in the best of moods. And he said, "David, now is not a good time." And I said, slow down, I need to talk to you, it's really important. And he said, "Make it quick." I said, "Are you having problems with traffic flow into your dealership?" He said, "David, my volume is down 30%. And I said to him, "Don, I could tell you why. The phone number on your website goes to a Medicare hotline." He was shocked. Now, what we determined was that he had as someone in his IT department that he had terminated, and I don't know why, but on the way out the door, he changed the phone number on his website to this Medicare hotline. So, again, this could happen to any of us. So please, take a minute right now. Every 90 days, make a note to go to your website, to go to anywhere where there's information on your dealership. Make sure your phone number is correct. Make sure your address is correct. Make sure the links on your website are going to the right spot. Because again, this can happen to any of us. Good luck, everyone.